Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board Vasai East. Today we have going to learn Standard 9th, Lesson number 3. धन्यवतो दातृयाचकौ. दातृ दाता donor, याचक pleader or beggar demander. The meaning of this lesson: donor and pleader, they both are great. Let us start this lesson with introduction. महाकवी कालिदास विरचितं रघुवंशम् इति महाकाव्यं प्रसिद्धमेव. Great poet Kalidasa wrote the epic Raghuvamsham is familiar. तत्र पंचमे सर्गे महाराजस्य रघोः जीवने घटितं प्रसंगं कविः वर्णयति. There, in the 5th chapter, the poet has described an incident from Maharaja Raghu's life. Raghuः Vishwajit yajnam akarot. Once, King Raghu had done a holy fire ceremony named Vishwajit. अस्मिन् यज्ञे सः सर्वं धनं दानरूपेण अयच्छत्. रिक्तकोशः च अभवत्. In this ceremony he had donated all his wealth and all his treasure were empty. तदा एव कोत्सः नाम युवा छात्रः तत्र आयातः. At the same time the younger student named Kotsa had came. गुरवे दक्षिणां दातुं सः धनम् ऐच्छत्. He asked to King Raghu for some money to given as a Guru Dakshina. स एव प्रसंगः अत्र वर्णितः and this incident is described here. That means what did the King Raghu do at that time is described in this lesson. Now I start to read the paragraph with Sandhi Vigraha and other grammar part. कस्मिंश्चित् तपोवने वरतन्तुः नाम ऋषिः आसीत्. संधि कस्मिंश्चित्, कस्मिन् plus चित् and verb आसीत् in लङ् लकार of the basic root अस. सः अध्यापने निपुणः प्रकृत्या दयालुः च आसीत्. तस्य आश्रमे बहवः मेधाविनः पटवः आसन्. In this sentence we find out the विशेषण विशेष्य बहवः मेधाविनः. बहवः as a विशेषण, मेधाविनः विशेष्य. तेषु कश्चित् कौत्सः नाम बटुः आसीत्. विद्याध्ययनं समाप्य गुरुदक्षिणां दातुम् उत्सुकः कौत्सः गुरुम् उपागच्छत्. संधि दातुम् उत्सुकः, दातुं plus उत्सुकः and verb समाप्य is लभ्यन्त अव्यय. सम plus आप from 5th class पूर्वकालवाचक धातु साधित लभ्यन्त अव्यय and verb उपागच्छत् in लङ् लकार of the basic root उप plus आ plus गमगच्छ. Next sentence. सविनयं च स्वस्य इच्छां गुरवे अकथयत्. Verb अकथयत् in लङ् लकार basic root कथ. तस्य वचः श्रुत्वा गुरुः उक्तवान्. Verb श्रुत्वा basic root श्रु पूर्वकालवाचक धातु साधित त्वान्त अव्यय from the 5th class. वत्स कौत्स तव अध्ययनेन सेवया च भृशं प्रीतोऽस्मि. संधि प्रीतोऽस्मि, प्रीतः plus अस्मि. This is a avagraha sandhi where we change o into visarga and avagraha into a. Verb asmi in lat lakar of the basic root asa. अन्यां कामपि दक्षिणां नेच्छामि. संधि कामपि, काम plus अपि. नेच्छामि न complete plus इच्छामि. Verb इच्छामि in lat lakar of the basic root ishaicha from 6th class. Then gaccha swasti tubhyam. Verb gaccha in lot lakar. गुरुणा वरतन्तुना निवारितः अपि कोत्सः वारं वारं दक्षिणां दातुमेच्छत्. Verb दातुम हेत्वर्थक धातुसाधित तुमंतव्यय of the basic root da यच्छ and verb एच्छत् in लंग लकार of the basic root इशइच्छा. Next paragraph. तदा तं परीक्षितुं वरतन्तुः अकथयत्. Verb अकथयत् in लंग लकार of the basic root कथ. परीक्षितुं परि plus इक्ष means to see and this is a हेत्वर्थक धातुसाधित तुमंत अव्यय. Then त्वया मम सकाशात् 14 विद्याः अधीताः अतः 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः आनय. Verb आनय in लोट् लकार. गुरोः वचनं श्रुत्वा कोत्सः चिन्ताकुलः जातः. Verb श्रुत्वा is पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित वान्तव्यय of the basic root श्रु which is from 5th class. एतावतीः सुवर्णमुद्राः कुतः आनयानि. Verb आनयानि in लोट् लकार of the basic root आ plus नीनय. महाराजं रघुं विहाय न कोऽपि एतावतीः मुद्राः दातुं समर्थः. संधि कोऽपि अवग्रह संधि. We change here O into visarga. Kah plus api. And verb datum is हेत्वर्थक धातुसाधित तुमंतव्यय of the basic root दायच्छ. अतः रघुं प्रति गच्छामि इति विचार्य कोत्सः रघोः समीपम् अगच्छत्. Verb गच्छामि in लट् लकार of the basic root गमगच्छ. विचार्य वी प्लस चर पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित लेब्यंत अव्यय and अगच्छत् in लंग लकार of the basic root गमगच्छ. Okay students, today only we learn the translation of these two paragraphs and related grammar part. कस्मिंचित् तपोवने वरतन्तुः नाम ऋषिः आसीत्. तपोवन means land of meditation. A sage named Varatantu was living in a land of meditation. सः अध्यापने निपुणः प्रकृत्या दयालुः च आसीत्. निपुणः expert, प्रकृत्या by nature, दयालु kind. He was an expert in teaching and kind by nature. तस्य आश्रमे बहवः मेधाविनः बटवः आसन्. बहवः many. मेधाविनः means intelligent or brilliant. Batavaha means students. There were a lot of students at his ashram. Teshu kaschit kotsah nama batuhu asit. Teshu means among them. Kotsah one of the students' name. Among them was a student named Kotsa. विद्याध्ययनं समाप्य गुरुदक्षिणां दातुम् उत्सुकः कोत्सः गुरुम् उपागच्छत्. समाप्य finishing or completing. दातुं for giving. उत्सुकः excited. After completing his academic, very excited, Kotsa went to his teacher for giving Guru Dakshina. सविनयं च स्वस्य इच्छां गुरवे अकथयत् and very humbly told to teacher about his own wish. तस्य वचः श्रुत्वा गुरुः उक्तवान्. श्रुत्वा listening, उक्तवान् said. On listening his speech, teacher said, वत्स कोत्स तव अध्ययनेन सेवया च भृशं प्रीतः अस्मि. सेवया तृतीया विभक्ति of the basic noun seva. which is in Akaranta Strilingi word. Seva means devotion. So Sevaya means by devotion. Bhrusham, lot of or many. Prito Asmi, pledge or glad. Bhrusham Pritosmi, very pledge. O child Kotsa, I am very pleased by your learning and devotion. Anyam kamapi dakshinam na ichhami. Hence, I do not wish to get any Guru Dakshina. Gaccha swasti tubhyam. Swasti bless you. Go. May God bless you. Okay, children, in this sentence we find out the avyay swasti. Swasti means may it be well. Swasti avyay expect the Chaturthi Vibhakti of the word. The person for whom may all be well is written in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So here in sentence we see Tubhyam Asti. The word Tubhyam is the Chaturthi Vibhakti of the basic pronoun Yushmat. Next sentence. Guruna Varatantuna Nivaritah api Kotsah Varam Varam Dakshinam Datum Echat. Nivaritah to in spite. Varam Varam repeatedly. Guru Varatantu, in spite of answering to his wish, Kosta was repeatedly expressing his wish to give Guru Dakshina. Next paragraph. Tada tam parikshitum Varatantuhu akathayat. Parikshitum means to taste. Then, to taste him, Varatantu said, त्वया मम सकाशात् चतुर्दश विद्याः अधीताः. अधीताः, adhi plus e means to learn. You have learned 14 knowledge from me. अतः hence चतुर्दश कोटि सुवर्ण मुद्राः आनय. आनय to bring. Hence bring me 14 crore of gold coins. गुरोः वचनं श्रुत्वा कौत्सः चिन्ताकुलः जातः. श्रुत्वा listening. चिन्ताकुलः worried. Listening to teacher's speech, Kotsa became worried. एतावती हि सुवर्णमुद्राः कुतः आनयानि? From where should I get or I bring so many gold coins? महाराजं रघुं विहाय न कः अपि एतावतीः मुद्राः दातुं समर्थः. विहाय means apart from. समर्थः capable. Apart from Maharaj Raghu's, nobody is capable of giving me so many gold coins. अतः therefore Raghum prati gacchami. Therefore I should go to King Raghu. इति विचार्य कौत्सः रघोः समीपम् अगच्छत्. Thinking this, Kotsa went to Raghu. Students, here we find out the one indeclinable avyay samipam. Samipam means near, and this avyay expects the Shashti Vibhakti of the word, which conveys the meaning near what. In this sentence, near to King Raghu. So, Raghu has to be written in Shashti Vibhakti, which is Raghoho. Okay, children, here we completed our translation of the first two paragraphs. Remaining translation we will see on the next videos. Till revise this topic very well and write a translation in your notebook. Thank you so much. Note down all the question and answers in your notebook and by heart these declination forms. Thank you.